Hey, and welcome to day 3. It's nice to see you here again. Let's get into our practice by getting seated into a comfortable position. This is Sukhasana, and you have also seen people sitting like this or with both their legs up, which is Padmasana. But your idea is to find your comfort posture. Once you're seated comfortably into your comfortable posture, we'll close our eyes, inhale, and lift up the shoulder blades. Lift up the shoulders all the way to the ears and just hold it there. Hold, hold, hold. Open your mouth and release it with the ocean. Again, inhale, draw your shoulders up. Hold your breath. Open your mouth inside out. Inhale, last time, lifting up, 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 up. Hold it. Let it tighten up. Don't give up yet. Stay there. Open your mouth inside out. Just join your palms at heart center. Let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. Gently relax your hands. We'll start with some gentle neck rotation. You'll take your both the hands, interlock it, and take it on the right side. Once you do this, drop your head on the right side. Relax your right elbows. Breathe here. Push both the shoulders down. Slowly take your neck up. From here, watch me once. You drop your head down and you look at the shoulder. Again, look front, keeping the head tilted, and then look at the shoulder. We do this 10 times. Join me. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Come back up. We take the same thing on the other side. This is just to push your shoulder down. It adds up to that stretch that you get onto your neck. Just stay with the neck tilted on the left side. Breathe. Breathe into the regions you're feeling the stretch. Now look at the shoulder and look front. Look at the shoulder, look front. Shoulder to the front, shoulder to the front, shoulder to the front. Last time, shoulders to the front. Slowly taking it up. Release the hands, get it on the knees, and push the chest inwards. Inhale, expand and look up. Exhale, push the chest in. Inhale, expand and look up. Exhale, push the chest in. Inhale, expand and look up. Exhale, push the chest in. Come back center. Take both the hands on the right knee. Push the chin down and take the chest back towards the left side. Inhale, arch and look up. Exhale, round and go down. Inhale, arch and look up. Exhale, round and go down. Come back center. Same thing to the other side. Push. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. Keep the hands straight and keep leaning back even when you arch. And release. Come back center. Let's come into all fours. From here, just taking the shoulders to the front, making a good circle, warming up the wrist. And reverse. We'll flip the palms to the back. Still, palms are facing down, and lean back to stretch the top of your palms. Slowly come back up. We'll push the palms facing upwards this time. Fingers are facing towards you. Stay as much as your wrist can take. And then slowly release it. Good. From here, we're just going to go for shaking the wrist. Shake it off. Shake off your fingertips. Get the elbows together and roll out the wrist. Reverse the directions. And relax. We'll come into plank pose from here. So for plank, just get your shoulders and hips in one straight line. Don't let your stomach drop down. You lift here and try to take your knees off. My idea is to roll with my shoulders ahead, go as ahead as I can, and put the weight on the fingertips. Remember, don't sink your chest and stomach down. Keep it lifted up. Stay here. Feel free to drop your knees if you need to. Breathe, relax. And slowly drop your knees. Come up onto your knees. Stay and breathe. One more time, we'll do the same thing. Yes, coming back onto the plank. So lift up and stay. Feel free to modify it for yourself with the knees on the floor. Yeah? Relax. Relax your face muscles. Don't need to tense it. Spread your fingers. That will help you hold it here. And release. Breathe. We'll do the plank again. Now, I'm going to add variations in this. You are allowed to take rest whenever you feel like. Okay? So coming into plank. From here, we're going to drop both the heels down on the right side and open our arms to the sky, to the ceiling. Coming down on the palms. Same thing on the left side. Both the heels on the left, taking the palms up and down. To the right and down. To the left and down. Feel free to rest when you feel that is what your body wants. But let's continue a little longer to push through. Yes, taking it a notch up with every day as we pass by. Almost there. Stay on your plank. Remember, you are allowed to rest in child's pose. Drop your knees down. Either sit on your knees or rest in child's pose. From here, while you're sitting on your knees, you take your right leg ahead, push the hips down. I'm allowing my knees to go a little further. That's absolutely fine. Hold it here. You can drop both the hands down. Lift up your chest, lift up your head to add that length in the spine. Slowly going back on the knees. We do the same thing on the other side. Yes. Stay and breathe. Lift up your chest and the head to add that stretch. Slowly going back on the knees. Breathe. From here, we'll take the right leg outside the right hand and just try to lower the elbows. You stay there, allow your body to just surrender. Taking your right palm up to the sky. Slowly release. Last 5 breaths, just continue staying here. For the ones wanting a little more challenge, come up on your fingertips, take your right arm up, take your left arm up, and just stay. Please continue to stay on your elbows or your palms as per your current capacity right now. Good job. Slowly come back to all fours. And we go to the left side. Left leg outside the left hand. Dropping the elbows or your palms. Stay on your palms or drop the elbows down. Continue staying here or add the challenge of your arms ahead. Slowly come back on your palms. Push your knees back and go into child's pose. Relax your head down and breathe. Slowly walking ahead, coming down on your elbows and stomach. Stay here. Open your collarbone. Spread your collarbone. Relax your toes. Breathe. To make this easier, you can always try to remember that the elbow should be under the shoulder. So then you're not putting too much weight on the shoulder to hold this position. This is an effortless position. Breathe. Drop your head down. Take your hands back and replace your palms with your elbows. Wherever your elbows were, your palms comes there. Palms under the shoulder. Slowly lift up your head, lift up your chest, and just stay there, but try not to keep any weight on the palms. Palms are weightless. If you were to open and lift up your palms, you shouldn't feel any weight on it. Yes, just there, stay. Release the head. We'll do this one last time. Inhale, lift up. No hands support. Both the shoulders pushing backwards. Longer neck. Hold it. And release. Relax your hands. Turn your head to a comfortable side and breathe. Slowly take your head back down, push through, going back into child's pose. Slowly rolling up vertebrate by vertebrate, very slowly. Take your time. Sit up comfortably. We'll go for alternate nostril breathing. So, right hand in Vishnu Mudra, left hand in Jnana Mudra. Block your right nostril, inhale from the left. Switch, exhale right. Inhale from right. Switch, exhale, left. Inhale from the left. Switch, exhale. Inhale from the same. Switch, exhale. Inhale from left. Switch, exhale. Continue this by yourself. Remember to switch only when you exhale. Relax your hands and just breathe normal, natural breath. Join your palms at heart center. Gratitude towards this beautiful practice, bowing your head to the Mother Earth, thanking yourself and your efforts and every small thing that has contributed in this journey. Slowly take your time to relax your hands and open your eyes. That was lovely. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a lovely day ahead. I'll suggest you to lie down for some time and rest yourself. Give yourself that much deserved relaxation.